In the name of God. Hello guys, it's our YouTube channel Binary Option Smart. Please subscribe us. If you have any question, you can ask on comments. In this session, I wanna teach you how to use virtual loose or fake loose in your bot, but it need some special things because each strategy in bot needs own fake loose. It really depends on your strategy that how to use fake loose or virtual loose in your bot. So in this session I wanna teach you some simple strategy and fake loose about them. So the first one is candle. For example, imagine your strategy is if last candle was green, this candle purchase, for example, rise. Let me make the bot of it. As you know from previous session, I taught this. If last digit, if last candle was green, purchase rise. In candle read candle with, let me find it, scroll down, get from end with this, and this one candle is black. As you know, black means red. For example, we need a not element here. I have to find it. Let me search it. I don't remember where is not element. If I can find, I have to use else in this method. Yes, here in logic. If last candle is not black, it's last candle. If last candle or candle number 2 is not black, means green price. So in this method or in this strategy we need some virtual loose. So means we don't have to trade if it's trade, if it came rise, and if after green candle if last candle or candle number 2 was green and this candle means candle number 1 is red, purchase rise. So we have to work with the candle list and other candles. Let me show you in this method. I use this one, and in candle list let me do this. If candle, for example, number 3 was green and we need another if on it. Candle number 2 was green or red because we need virtual loose. If this situation make here, we lose our trade. We lose our trade in this situation. The third one was green and the last one is red. This candle is black. We lose our trade. So in this method, we make a virtual loose here. So I need a variable that show me virtual loose set virtual loose, for example, to 1, and I have to define it here because the time that bot start we don't have any virtual loose, so I equal to 0, and here we have a virtual loose. Now we can use this one. If virtual loose equal to 1, then purchase rise. Means this happened, then virtual loose equal to 1, and this if happened and purchase rise. You can use this more and more. For example, candle number 4, let me show you. You can use this candle number 4, candle number 3, and candle number 2. Set, where will it go? Set virtual loose to 1 and this purchase. It depends on your strategy, as I said to you. I will teach you some more strategies from digit over and under and something like this in next sessions. And don't forget, use this in block number 4. After each trade, we have to use set virtual loose to 0. As you know, this is our YouTube channel, Binary Option Smart. Please subscribe us. If you have any question, you can ask on comments. Thank you for watching.